Today I'm going to show you how to add or update your education section on LinkedIn. So you want to update your education over here. You're going to come down on your profile page and you'll see experience and then you'll see education. Here you can click on the add education. If there is something in here, it'll be a little plus icon like this and the pencil icon. And here you're going to add in the details. So the actual school that you had this education in, the degree, the field of study, when you started, the month and year, when it ended, or when it's expected to end. So if you're still busy with this education, you can actually add in a future date, the grade that you got, activities and societies. So you can add in the details over here. And then a short description of exactly what this education is about, what particular skills you want to showcase within there. And then you can add skills over here as well as media. And when you're done, you can click on save.